As shown in the previous video, Business Contact Extractor collects business information directly from visible Google search results. However, some Google results may not show complete contact information. That is where the website contact scanner can help. From your contact list, select the businesses you want to check, choose the delay between each scan, and start the website scanner. You can also paste your own list of website links if you want to scan businesses that were not collected from Google. Simply add one website link per line and begin scanning. The extension visits each public business website and checks relevant pages for available contact information. It can discover missing email addresses, phone numbers, WhatsApp links, and other useful business details. Any new information is added to the existing business record. This helps you build more complete contacts without creating unnecessary duplicate entries. Once scanning is complete, you can review the primary contact information and see any additional email addresses or phone numbers discovered by the scanner. You can also filter email addresses by business email, Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook to quickly find the type of contact you need. When your updated contact list is ready, export everything to CSV or JSON and use it for your Outreach or CRM system.